3D modeling has always been the most technical barrier in creative work. You either spend months learning Blender, pay a 3D artist a few $100s per asset, or settle for generic stock models that don't match your vision. None of those options work if you're a creator, a game dev, or a designer who just has an idea and wants to see it in 3D. Meshy just changed that completely. They launched their 3D agent, and it's the first time I've seen a chat-based workflow produce an actual, usable, consistent 3D asset set from a single conversation. Let me show you exactly how it works. Go to Meshy.ai, links in the description, and sign in, free to start. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click 3D Agent. This opens the chat interface. It looks simple, but what happens inside it is not. Here's what makes 3D Agent different from every other text-to-3D tool. Most tools ask you to describe exactly what you want and then generate it immediately. 3D Agent doesn't do that. It brainstorms with you first. In the chat field, I'll type, "I want to create a 3D asset set for a dark fantasy RPG game. I'm thinking a ruined castle environment with matching props and a main character." Hit send. Watch what happens. 3D Agent doesn't immediately start generating models. It comes back with directions, 3 or 4 different creative angles it could take this. Maybe a Gothic European ruin style, maybe a more Japanese-influenced dark fantasy, maybe something more surrealist. It's pitching concepts to you like a creative director would in a meeting. This is the smarter side of the agent. It brainstorms before it builds, so you're not regenerating from scratch because the first output missed the mark. I'll pick the Gothic European direction and say, let's go with the Gothic European style. Stone walls with overgrown vines, dark blue and gray palette, weathered metal accents. The agent confirms the direction, and before generating anything, it automatically searches for relevant reference material online. Architectural details from Gothic ruins, material references, lighting mood boards, and uses that research to expand and complete the creative brief. You can see this happening in the activity log next to the chat. It's not working from training data alone. It's actively researching to get the details right. The agent now generates a batch of concept images, multiple styles of the environment based on the direction we agreed on. You'll see 4 to 6 visual concepts appear in the canvas panel on the right. Each one shows a slightly different interpretation, one with heavier vine coverage, one with more dramatic lighting, one with a more weathered stone texture. This is the handier step. You're seeing the visual language before committing to 3D generation. Click through the concepts and pick the one that matches your vision. I'm selecting the third one. Heavy shadows, deep blue stone, minimal light source from a glowing portal in the background. Click Lock Style. This is the key move. Once you lock the style, 3D Agent uses that visual language as a reference anchor for everything that comes next. Every prop, every creature, every environment piece. The style travels with the conversation. Now type, generate the main castle gate prop first, large stone archway, weathered, with rusted iron portcullis. The agent generates the 3D model and it appears in the preview panel. You can rotate it, zoom in, check the geometry and texture quality. The stone texture is reading correctly. The roughness on the surface matches the dark blue-gray palette we locked. The iron portcullis has the right level of rust and oxidation. This is production quality, not a rough sketch. Not satisfied with something? Don't start over, just type it in chat. I'll type, "The archway feels too symmetrical. Add some crumbling damage to the left side and more overgrown moss at the base." The agent iterates on the model based on that instruction. The revised version comes back in about 30 seconds. The left pillar now has a visible crack with displaced stone, and the moss coverage at the base is denser and more organic. That's the easier part of the workflow. One dialogue, continuous iteration, no reprompting from scratch. Now type, "Generate a matching torch sconce prop for the castle wall." The agent generates it. Check the style, the metalwork, the weathering level, the color of the flame effect all match the gate prop. That's the style lock working across assets. One conversation, consistent visual language. Continue. Now generate a gargoyle creature for the top of the gate. Crouched position, wings folded, same stone material as the archway. The agent generates the character. Stone texture matches. dark palette matches, scale and weathering level match. You are building a coherent asset set, prop by prop, creature by creature, all from a single chat. Once you're happy with an asset, click the download button on the model card in the Canvas panel. You get export options, FBX, GLB, OBJ, STL, USDZ, Blender Native. Pick your format. If you're going into Unity or Unreal, GLB or FBX. If you're 3D printing, STL or 3MF. The PBR texture maps, diffuse, roughness, metallic, normal, export alongside the model, production ready. If you want to animate a character asset, click Animate on the model card. Meshy's auto rigging system rigs the gargoyle automatically and gives you access to 500+ animation presets, idle, walk, attack sequences. Select one, preview it in the browser, export with the rig included. Iterating on each piece until it's exactly right. One chat, a whole set of 3D. That's Meshy 3D Agent. Got an idea? Create 3D in conversation with Meshy now. 50% off through the link in the description. Go start your first chat today and drop your model in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools that actually change what's possible as a creator.